เอา
Oh yeah, I see it from here.
What is it?
So right now we are at Sandy Bear Dune, and I'm going to be showing you a view. So look at all the sand. So like one part of it is all sand and hills, and then another part is all lakes and like nature over there.
Very cool.
Yeah.
What else?
Also we have a big lake right there. All the sand is
Great Lake, Michigan.
From up there, I could see
Mm-hmm.
there's literally no people. The sand is already clear.
I lost service.
Oh my god, the sand is already clear. There, Let's go! Let's go! Yes. This is Sandy Bear Dune. Come closer. Oh no. No, I meant like drawn.
What is it?
He wants to draw on wood and trade them for Pokemon cards. There's a problem. I got so much sand in here.
That's okay. It's okay. We're
No,
gonna fix
it's
it.
so much. This is Sandy Bear Dunes. Nothing about bears.
Shian, where are you going?
Yeah, actually going there.
You're going over there?
Yep.
Okay. How does it feel, Shuja?
Really slippery.
Slippery?
Yeah, this is sand, bro. Yeah, this is sand. That we're walking on. This is
Eh.
Hungary, many people died. Bear and two little cubs were trying to leave the place around the
হাঁটি গেছে আচ্ছা
Oh there. Oh there. Wow.
Hi, my name is Suja and I'm going to be showing you around sandy bear dunes. So the open seas are like really like big and like so you can see the first part and like part next to the mount.
All right, Shujai, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Suji and I'm going to be showing you around sandy bear dunes. So first we got all the hills of sand, which are the dunes that people are hiking through, and the old trees which have less like grass on them, and also the big open seas which are really beautiful, and the clouds. So all this sand is really good and everyone hikes through them. So yeah. Bye.
Bye, thank you. We're gonna go the whole day. We're gonna hike.
Let's go. And we're gonna have a picnic for lunch. Look at all the mountains of sand. Should we go climb one?
Come here, come here. Yeah, Shujai. That's how you run?
Yeah, on sand, and it makes me tired easily.
Oh my gosh.
This is so deep. Run on sand, yeah?
Wonderful.
All right, let's see. Oh my gosh.
জেলা ফটা নানি ওলাখান আমার ফারে নেনি তুলিয়া
Yep.
Hi, my name is Sujay and this is Shriyan, and we are both going to be explaining about this big mountain. This is all sandy bare dunes. We have been climbing for a lot of time. Right there is the mountain, and right here is all the view. And you can see everything right here. Also, when you're down there, you can't really see what's on top of here, and you can't really see what is happening on top of here. But on here, this is another mountain. I did not know that, but then we started climbing this mountain that's right here. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Hi, my name is Shriyan, and so this whole thing is sandy bare dunes. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So right here is a big mountain. I wonder what is up there, so I'll go with my brother. So, oh, wait, let's not run.
What is that?
We're gonna go.
Shujoy, do you know if you're gonna go back and then you have to come back?
It's okay.
It's the same route.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's a long route, look.
I know. It's fine.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a picture.
Hi, my name is Sujay. This is my brother Shriyan, and we are going to be telling you about this story in sandy bare dunes. So first we climbed up 2 mountains, and then we did explore to see what was coming up. We found all of this nature, and right now we're going to go down this pathway, and then we might go up a mountain. So Shriyan, can you tell us how are we going to go up the mountain? So we have some energy, and we can use that energy to climb up the mountain. And when you climb up the mountain, I think we have to go back because it's going to be late. So we're going to use our energy to climb up the mountain. So let's go. More mountains. Yeah. Yes. Bubba, let's report.
Alright, let's report.
Okay, I think we just have to walk all the way there, then we're going to see the beautifulness. Okay.
There's more mountain?
Yeah.
So how many mountains we climb so far?
I can see the sea, so that's fine. So wait, first let's report, okay?
Where's, yeah, okay.
Shriyan, come here, we're reporting. We're reporting. Guys, come here. End the video. Hi, my name is Sujay. This is my brother Shriyan, and we are going to be telling you about sandy bare dunes. So we've been climbed 2 mountains, then we saw a lot of other mountains. We climbed up one big mountain, and then we found out that this is the last stage. We just have to go down in the hole, go back up, and then we have to go down and then go back up, and then we're gonna see the beautifulness. So right now, my brother Shriyan is gonna be telling us how are we gonna climb up these mountains. So we used all of our energy just climbing up this mountain. How will we get energy from climbing this mountain? So we will. So if someone else is tired, then you could hold their hand, and that's a suggestion. And we can climb down, up, and then we'll see the beautifulness. Also, here's one more suggestion. If you want, you can walk down instead of running, because running can make you really tired, and walking will make you less tired. So that's it. Yeah, let's go hike. Wait. I'm using one of my suggestions. Yeah, let's hike. I never knew we were going to hike this far. Can I take a video? Hi, I'm Suji, and this is my brother Shriyan. Right now we are gonna be exploring a new part of Lake Michigan. Restart. Hi, I'm Suji, and this is my brother Shriyan. Today we are going to be exploring another part of this dune. So first we went and we walked a little bit, and we ran into Lake Michigan. So we are going to be going near it, and we might take some videos. So my brother Shriyan is going to be explaining some information about Lake Michigan. So Lake Michigan is kind of like big, and when you see like the lighter ocean next to the land, it's kind of like not that deep, and when you see the darker part of the ocean, then it's kind of very deep. I also noticed something, Shriyan. Do you see that island over there? Yeah. Do you know what it's called? And we don't know if it has a name, but that island, it like looks really cool. Yeah. So that's where we're gonna end for now. Bye. I hate these flies. No, I don't have long hair, so why do these flies? Oh, swarm of them. Baba!
Hmm?